Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Today we have, we're going to review some of the deals going on this weekend deal, but specifically, this is this weekend deal, but specifically next weekend deal, free buckets. Free buckets. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. And we'll jump into the buckets real quick. We've done a video on the free gifts, but we'll review first though. Anybody take advantage of deal of the day 7, 45% off, Icon Snap Ring Pliers, 8-piece, $40, normally $73, 45% off, or the Yukon brand new, the 36-inch, 18-inch 5-drawer rolling cabinet. I know a few of the HARBROs mentioned they wanted to get this. Did you get it? Did you pick it up? You still got time depending where you are. $80 off. And then of course, day 8 tomorrow, Friday, only 30% off all corded Bauer and Hercules sanders. Excellent deal. Or both, $50 off Bauer and Hercules 5-amp hour 2-pack bundles. And if you are going in tomorrow or Saturday or Sunday, make sure you pick up your free gift. Free moving blanket, free ammo box, or the Icon adapter set. Free, for everyone with a $35 purchase, or if you're ITC with any purchase. And the same logic for the free gifts is going to go into the free buckets. And that's what we'll go into next. This is what we'll review, the free bucket weekend starting May 15th. Some of the HARBROs have already noticed, they've already said it. Their stores have been stocking up on buckets, which means a bucket day wasn't too far off. So no coupon required with $29.99 purchase. 3 days only, May 15th to the 17th, while supplies last, but they'll have plenty of buckets. Make sure you check, make sure you ask, because sometimes you go into Harbor Freight to take advantage of some of the sales, or you're buying something you need, and they don't always offer that they have a free gift, so make sure you ask. But if you're a HARBRO, you really know when the deals are going on, so unlikely you won't not ask for your bucket, but make sure you ask, double check your receipts. So free bucket for everybody, $29.99 purchase or more. And if you're ITC, free bucket with any purchase. And they've added some different tools into the box, which I appreciate the update. And that's next weekend deal. Again, free bucket for anyone with any purchase if you're ITC, and then free bucket with a $30 purchase if you're everybody else. And that's the weekend deal. But let's go into, and this kind of, again, this logic will carry over into the free gifts weekend, what you should get to get your free bucket. A little bit different for your free bucket though, because one of the items that we recommend if you're getting a free bucket is the Harbor Freight 5-gallon bucket lid. And some of the Harbor Freight stores will have these on sale. So hopefully they do for you. If not, it is $3. The buckets don't come with a lid. And I'm glad they put 2 different pictures of the lid, because I want to know that it's a Argy Corporation, Santee, California, 92071. And on the other side, I just want to know that this is the bottom of the lid. Compared to Leak Tight, this bucket lid fits most 5-gallon buckets with a tight seal to keep materials fresh. I've never looked at the reviews. A little bit surprised. Oh, this is the lid, 93%, 4.6. What are people doing with lids? They're combining it with the Ace and the Lowe's buckets, which is a little bit sacrosanct, but I at least appreciate that they're using the Harbor Freight lids. Great lid. One of the few products at Harbor Freight that is made in the USA, made in California. Must have hard to find replacement lids. Glad they stock them. Nobody using them on the Harbor Freight bucket. Who is the first? Thank you, Scott J. As advertised, it works as it should. Good job with your Harbor Freight bucket. Fits other buckets too, which I guess is good to know. I didn't know that. Universal lid, combining with the Harbor Freight bucket and the Lowe's bucket. That is very interesting to see. So anyways, that's one option you have for your bucket. And that has inspired me. I don't think we've ever looked up the actual reviews on the Harbor Freight bucket. $3.98 at full price. All-purpose 5-gallon bucket can be used to haul tools or store and transport liquids. Specifications: durable, high-impact construction, carry handle with comfort grip, 5-gallon capacity. Red, 14 inches high, 11 inches wide, polyethylene, 5 gallons, 1.8 pounds. Nothing about being food grade. I thought maybe they would have mentioned something. Almost 10,000 reviews. Let's look at the warranty. 90-day warranty. 4.8 out of 5 stars, 98%. Let's see how the HARBROs are using their bucket. Wash bucket, classic on their classic car, brand new tires. Got it for free with a grinder purchase. Harbor Freight pails, calling them pails, not buckets. I used my 2 Harbor Freight pails to organize the scrap lumber I had in a stack in my workshop. Great use. My wife wanted me to build this. Makes a great bucket planter. Look at this thing and look at his nice hats in the back. This is an incredible bucket planner. He's guaranteed these are free buckets, and this is what you can do if you watch these videos and are aware of the free buckets every time they're doing free buckets. I've been wanting to pick some buckets for a while. As I was leaving to the store the other day, I grabbed 2, or you can pay for them. A lot of people are using them for plants. High quality 5-gallon bucket, built to last, heavy duty, holds 5 gallons. Thanks. They make awesome trash cans with the Harbor Freight trash bag inside. Awesome storage for my screws and bolts. Good deal. I store my ram sticks in them. Recycling bucket from Harbor Freight. 2 weeks of big bucket buys. I put most of my recyclables in. I turned it into a trash can. My wife wanted me to build this. Again, I'm a street singer and it makes a great tip bucket. I would tip this bucket. Good enough bucket. Store whatever you want in it. Pretty straightforward. Get a bucket for the pressure washer. Best price compared to others. Just what I needed. See photo. How can you beat a free bucket? You buy a lid. Or, that's an incredible. I've never looked at the bucket reviews and I'm just as impressed. But the other options that we recommend, there is a new Dollar Days, and I didn't do a Dollar Day video. I feel like I slacked a little bit. But we do have new Dollar Days, and these are going through the 20th, so it'll line up through the weekend. So these are the Dollar Days to take advantage of either your free gift with any purchase or your free bucket. It'll work. It'll work for both. They have the Gordon scissors, which the HARBROs hate. Correct me if I'm wrong. I get a couple HARBROs like them, but you can do the Gordon scissors for $1, mini razor blade scraper for $1, pickup and reach tool for $2, 49% off. This is gonna be a Dollar Day / weekend deal. Hardy gloves for $2, the 18-inch long neck funnel for $2. Great pickup. You could do the US General 6-inch magnetic parts holder. It's 19% off. We've seen bigger discounts, but get it down to $4. Is a good pickup to walk away with the free gift and to walk away with the free bucket. Tough to beat. You can do a tarp for the Tarp Bros, camouflage tarp, 5 by 7 foot, socket rail set, 3-piece, 19% off. You could do the slingshot, the F-16 slingshot, 49% off. Somebody said this wasn't available in somebody's state. Oh, unfortunately, no pictures, but 4.5 and 93% of customers would recommend Daisy Outdoor products, surgical grade tubing, 18 years or older. But you could get the slingshot, $5, 15-foot pet tie out, also $5, 28% off. The Pittsburgh ratcheting screwdriver set, 34-piece at $6, 39% off. A mini shovel, all 27-inch round nose mini shovel with comfort grip handle, $7, 41% off. I think I paid for a similar one at Home Depot or Lowe's. It must have been Lowe's, like $20. One Stop Gardens, or you get your Berger 8-inch MIG welding pliers. So these are Dollar Days are always excellent choices for getting your free gift or getting your free bucket. But I will still recommend, not as much though, it's gone up in price, the 79-cent 7-inch carpenter's pencil used to be nicely priced at 69 cents, but it won't roll or slide. 79 cent pencil. Or you could get fancy and sort from lowest price to highest, and we'll get the real lowest price of any item at Harbor Freight, and it's the 1-inch chip brush, 59 cents. Not bad to have a brush to brush things off, whatever you need. Or the 69 cent, this might be the new one, 69 cent, nice 2-inch chip brush, not well sized, but 69 cents will get you your free gift or your free bucket. Or probably the most practical item to use would be the Color Snap blade utility knife. Keep these handy, also 79 cents. Of course, there's the pencil. You could do some 89-cent spring clamps, 1.5-inch, or the 1 3/4 inch at 99 cents. And then the other highly recommended is the Harbor Freight 55-pound, 19-gallon double XL bag, 99 cents. Great for carrying groceries, laundry, recycling, bulky items. But anyways, I'll leave it at that, HARBROs. Love to hear your recommendations as to what you get, what you buy to get your free gift or to get your free bucket. Anyways, HARBROs, I'll leave it at that. Let me know what you're getting. Let me know how your 10 days of deals are going. Make sure you get your free gift. And as always, happy harbor freighting, happy shopping. Good luck out there. please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.